Hello, everybody. My name is Drew. So, what if your sign-up forms could instantly send emails, launch or stop follow-ups, or they could create opportunities without you doing anything? Well, today we're going to talk about sign-up form automations and how you can set all of that up. And so, just for a quick brief overview, here's some of the things that our sign-up form automations can do. You can send a single email, such as even delivering an attachment to somebody for a lead magnet. You can launch a series, or what I love is that you can even stop a series that's in progress when somebody fills out the sign-up form too. Custom fields can be updated, tasks can be created, opportunities can be created as well, and you're not limited to any single automation for your sign-up form either. So let's take a look at this. You can go to your sign-up forms from the automation button in the left sidebar and then click on sign-up forms. Click on the sign-up form that you have created. See, we have a separate article that talks all about how to create your sign-up form. So if you need those basics, go to that help article. For your automations, you'll go to the automations tab. Now you will see there are two sections in here that are distinct. You have your trigger automations when someone signs up section right here, and then below that, schedule emails and texts to send to all signups. So what's the difference between these? Well, first of all, in most cases, you're going to be looking for this trigger automations section. And this is for something that'll happen when somebody signs up. Basically, when they click sign up, you'll be having whatever is in here trigger. But this below section for schedule emails and texts, that, as you can see right here, will schedule to send to all signups at a particular time in the future. Think like if you have a webinar that you want people to register for, and then you want reminder emails, or even like emails to be sent after the event. This is how you can set that up. So when we're going in this trigger automations section, you want to click on create automation. As with all automations in our system, you'll generally need to create the content that is being automated before you set something like this up. So your email templates, your text templates, what have you, should all be created, and then you'll come in here to set it up. So you'll see the automations all right here that are available. So you got send email or canceled scheduled email, like a reminder email, for instance, to fill out this form. You can have it cancel when people fill out the form so they don't get needlessly reminded to do something that they have already done. Also, emails, like I said in the intro, can be a way that you deliver a white paper, for instance, for a lead magnet. And then people will receive that only if they actually give you the correct email. You've got your series right here for multi-step automations that will trigger or be stopped when people fill out this form. You have set custom field value to always set a particular value to people who have filled out a form. Create task to create a to-do for you, and then also create opportunity if you want everybody to be added to your pipeline who fills out this form. So for this, I'm going to go with launch series. I'll choose my template. I can delay it if I need to, and I'll save my automation here. So for this row right here, also, by the way, like I said in the intro, you can have multiple things happen when people fill out the form. So you could, for instance, have a series launch, a previously running series be canceled, and then also you could have an opportunity created for that contact, all automatically done when people fill out the form. Also, you'll see a couple of options that open up here, like for conditions. Now, conditions is a enterprise feature, but if you have an enterprise subscription, you can create a condition that will only send to people based on the response that they give. So, for instance, a common one might be like you have a drop down for instance, like what brand are you interested in, and then if they select X brand, then they receive a series that is tailored to X brand, and then you could even have it assigned to a particular person on your team who specializes in that. So it's kind of like a filter where you would just say you'd select the field and say is, and then it matches that particular one. For this form, it's actually not a great example for setting up these conditions, but it's a pretty simple process. Additionally, like I said, you can have certain people on your team assigned to signups here based on those conditions, and this is how you could do it right there. Under the column that says sign up owner, you can select the owner. That'll be anybody in your team, or it can be a round robin. And also they can be alerted on sign up. So that just about does the trigger section. Now for the schedule emails section, this is really quite straightforward. You'll just click schedule send, choose an email or text. You can either draft your email or text right here, or you can select an existing email template. And then if you need to do multiple email templates, you can hit schedule and add another. Otherwise, just schedule email, choose when you need it to go out, and click the schedule button, and you'll see it listed right there under your schedule emails card for the form. All right. Well, that does it for this section. Reach out to us if we can help you at all. Thank you so much.